14 centuries ago, the Qur'an revealed mysteries about our universe. Mysteries that no human could have known at that time. There were no telescopes, no microscopes, no scientific laboratories. And yet, verses written in the Qur'an are only now being confirmed by modern science. Stay with me, because number one will absolutely leave you speechless. 5 fingerprints. Surah Al-Qiyamah, verse 4. The Qur'an says, even the very fingertips will be recreated. Think about it. 14 centuries ago, people had no idea that fingertips carried anything special. To them, fingers were just flesh and bone. But today, science has uncovered an astonishing truth. Every single person has a unique fingerprint pattern. Not even identical twins share the same fingerprints. This discovery changed the world. Police use fingerprints to solve crimes, border control uses them for identification, and medicine studies them for genetic research. But this was all unknown in the 7th century. And yet the Qur'an declared it long before anyone else. Bala, qadirina ala implified an nusawwiya bananahu. Surah Al-Qiyamah, verse 4. 4 winds and fertilization. Surah Al-Hijr, verse 22. The Qur'an describes winds as agents of fertilization. Today, meteorology and biology confirm this amazing truth. Winds carry pollen across fields and forests, allowing plants to reproduce and life to continue. Winds also play a vital role in cloud formation. They push moist air upward, where tiny particles gather and seed the clouds, leading to rainfall. Without winds, plants would not grow, crops would not flourish, and clouds would never release rain. In short, without winds, life on Earth would collapse. Yet the Quran mentioned this natural cycle over 1,400 years ago, long before science understood the connection. وَأَرْسَلْنَا الرِّيَاحَ لَوَاقِحَ فَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً. Surah Al-Hijr, verse 22. 3 darkness of the deep sea. Surah An-Nur, verse 40. The Quran gives a vivid description. Layers of darkness in the deep sea, waves upon waves, and clouds above. Modern oceanography tells us that sunlight can only penetrate the first 200 meters of water. Beyond that, light fades until, at a depth of 1,000 meters, there is absolute darkness. Scientists also discovered underwater currents, waves beneath the surface that move in powerful layers, exactly as the Quran described. Waves upon waves. And above them, clouds cover the sky, adding yet another layer of darkness. 14 centuries ago, no diver could reach these depths. No technology existed to explore the oceans. And yet the Quran revealed this hidden reality with stunning accuracy. أَوْ كَظُلُمَاتٍ فِي بَحْرٍ لُجِّي يَغْشَاهُ مَوْجٌ مِّن فَوْقِهِ مَوْجٌ مِّن فَوْقِهِ سَحَابٌ ظُلُمَاتٌ بَعْضُهَا فَوْقَ بَعْضٍ. Surah An-Nur, verse 40. 2 mountains as pegs. Surah An-Naba, verse 7. The Quran says, mountains are like pegs. For centuries, people thought mountains were simply massive rocks rising above the ground. But geology reveals something far more incredible. Mountains have deep roots that extend far beneath the surface, anchoring into the Earth's crust. These roots act like stakes, stabilizing the planet's surface and preventing it from shifting uncontrollably. In fact, without mountains, the Earth's crust would be far more unstable, leading to massive geological chaos. This is why modern geologists often describe mountains as the stabilizers of the Earth. And yet, the Quran revealed this profound truth over 1,400 years ago. Wal Jabal Autada, Surah An-Naba, verse 7. 1. Origin of milk in cattle. Surah An-Nahl, verse 66. The Qur'an says, "Milk is produced from between blood and digestion." At first, this sounds unusual, but modern biology confirms it exactly. Nutrients from the food an animal eats are broken down in the digestive system, absorbed into the bloodstream, and then carried to the mammary glands. There, these nutrients are transformed into milk, pure, nourishing, and beneficial to drink. This process is complex and invisible to the naked eye. For centuries, people believed milk simply came from the stomach, but the Quran described its true origin with precise detail, centuries before science discovered it. نسقيكم مما في بطونه من بين فرث ودم لبنا خالصا سائغا للشاربين. Surah An-Nahl, verse 66. These are just 5 scientific miracles found in the Quran. Each one confirmed by modern science. But there are many more verses waiting to be explored, waiting to be confirmed. This is only the beginning. Like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss the next astonishing miracle of the Quran.